Hi guys, VST here, Tech. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This video is gonna be about a new batch of Samsung exclusive wallpapers. What I'm showing on the screen is actually one of these beautiful wallpapers. You know that Samsung is pushing every 2 weeks new wallpapers in case you are using the dynamic wallpaper service. What I'm doing here, guys, I'm gonna show you all the new wallpapers from the categories that I like the most. And even more, I'm gonna give you guys a folder where you can go and download all these beautiful wallpapers. I screenshotted them all. Samsung is giving these wallpapers as a courtesy to everybody using their phones, so why not share with you guys? But first, how can you get them on your phones? Very easy, guys. Just pinch out of Zoom, go to Wallpapers. When you click Wallpapers, you're gonna see something called Wallpaper Services. When you click Wallpaper Services, you're gonna see something called Dynamic Lock Screen. Make sure that you select that one, press apply, and then go one more time to Wallpaper Services and go on the cogwheel. Why? Because from here you are able to choose up to 5 categories. Now in my case, I do like landscapes, plants, life, art and special. But there are also food, desserts. Don't ask me why. We have dogs and cats and animals, right? Well, that's a bit of a weird decision, but you can select also those one. If you are using One UI 3.0, you can do this. If you're using One UI 2.5, you can select up to 3 categories, all right? Once this happens, guys, they're gonna be refreshed on your screen. Let me just show you. Every time you turn on your phone, you're gonna get a nice wallpaper from the different section that you have chosen, you see? And I did a screenshot of all of those wallpapers and sharing them with you. If you would like to do the same, very easy, guys. Just select this one if you like it, press your fingers here, and then use the standard combination to take a screenshot. But I already did that one. I have already screenshotted all of them, and I'm gonna be sharing the link down below into the video description where you can go and download them. And now in this video, for your viewing pleasure, I'm gonna share all the wallpapers, and they're really very beautiful. Before we start, I want to share something with you guys. 95% watching this channel are not subscribed. I don't know why. Please help me fix that one. If you sub to my channel, this will be much appreciated. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now going back through the video. This here is actually a snippet of all the wallpapers you're gonna get from my link. And now, guys, for your viewing pleasure, just look at these beauties. Just stunning. I'm always telling this in my videos. Samsung are really paying top dollar to really professional photographers, but not only photographers, because here we have landscapes, right? Like you can see here, we have some aerial photos, right? This one is one of my favorite. We have also some very nice art and design work, right? This here is all the landscape, but look at this, it's absolutely stunning, all right? Aerial photography again, I'm not sure, design, really great. Very nice colors and also optimized to be used with a phone. Look at this, this really is amazing, all right? Just going forward, all right, again, scenery, food lovers, here you have it. I'm not sure, architecture, colors are really absolutely great. And those wallpapers can be, of course, also used on your phone. So, of course, you don't need to have a Samsung phone. And that's why I'm sharing this with you guys. Every 2 weeks, new video, new wallpapers, new link on my channel. But hey, it's not yet over. Look at this, amazing colors. Flowers, all right. Again, some scenery. This is, by the way, my choice right now. I am now using this one. I like the concrete here and also the yellow chairs, and the contrast is really blowing my mind. All right, summer is coming, camping, barbecue, fire, stars. I mean, amazing, right? Chess players. Quality, by the way, is stunning. You can see all the details, and I'm also uploading them into this quality, guys. It's not compressed. The green here, absolutely beautiful. Some lava here. All right, you see? Wow. What a shot. I mean, how can you even make a shot like this, guys? I can tell you need pro camera equipment. All right, so more wallpapers, amazing colors, and of course the S21 Plus really has a very nice screen, although only FHD. See here, again, the contrast, the shapes. I like the wallpapers, they're really amazing. See that one? So simple, but at the same time, very suitable for a screen of a smartphone. This one as well, some flowers here, look at this, just amazing. All right, some abstract more, some chairs. This one with the robot, this is gonna be my next one, right? Just look at this, I mean, come on. Yeah, I mean, you see, this is from the bench, Zaxxon print and etc. like this old cartoon. Flowers, dolphins and ice, beautiful contrast colors here again, all right? Wow, just look at this, stunning colors. And again, I'm not sure why I'm drawn so much to the yellow, but to do this video, guys, I even changed my set. I wanted to give you like a better look and showcase these wallpapers. Small figures, miniatures and a flower. Again, this yellow element now is very prominent into this collection. All right, some stones. Okay, and guys, I think we are now through. So guys, this has been really the complete list from landscapes, from specials, and all the categories I do like. Again, if you like this channel, guys, a sub will be much appreciated. Don't forget to check the video description. There is the link. Download those wallpapers, use them. Guys, please stay safe, you and your families, and we're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.